the Labeller platform, and I would be discussing a very great feature, that is searching files by certain remark categories. Now there are two types. Now, because of the subjectivity of the whole annotation process, you may realize that some mistakes would be done by the annotators. Some mistakes would be done from the annotators side, and there can be two kinds of mistakes. So some can be blatant mistakes, or in some annotation areas there may be certain scope for improvement, and you want to see all these kinds of files, and especially these files under the client rejected categories, because this provides data for the future annotation process, and it makes the future annotation process much accurate. So what I'll do is I can select all the files from here, and then I'll click on my remarks, and then I'll click on search by tag, and then I'll check the mistakes checkbox, and I'll apply my filters. And you can see that there are three files which have the status of client rejected, and all these files have some mistake in the annotation. So this guides my attention as a client reviewer to the files where some mistakes were done during the annotation process. As you can see, I can click on the remarks icon, and I'll see that, okay, this is a mistake, and the mistake is this is not green. So I can easily identify, okay, this is the area where some mistake has been done, and this helps me guide revisions in this area in the future annotation process. And this will help me achieve higher accuracy in future in this whole annotation process. So similarly, I can also see the suggestions, and so right now, if I click on suggestions, and I click on apply filters, so you'll see that there's one file which has been client rejected, and it has a suggestion. A suggestion has been provided on this annotation, and it's specifically useful because suggestions, they tell about what is the scope of improvement and in the annotation process. And this is especially important because all the parties would get to know what are the baseline expectations of the clients when it comes to guiding the whole annotation process in future. So I think this feature is a great way to communicate all the mistakes or scopes for improvement in the whole annotation process. And I hope you enjoyed this explanatory video about this feature. So happy annotating, and I hope Labelerr platform is making your annotation process a breeze. Thank you.